How to switch your Shake Shack order from delivery to pickup. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to craft your Shack order yourself instead of waiting for delivery, well here is how to switch it online. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, just click on the search bar and simply search for Shake Shack. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Shake Shack. Now here, simply log in with your account and once logged in, simply build your orders as usual with your preferred Shack location and items. And once you're done with it, at the checkout, find the order type section and it's usually defaults to delivery if you initially selected it. And there, with that, on the next page, just click pickup and then choose the location and pickup time that works best for you. And once you're done with it, confirm your payment method and make sure your card is correct before placing the order. And with that, just a pro tip, switching to pickup can save delivery fees and let you grab your order faster during the busy time. And that's it. Now your order is set for pickup. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.